Welcome! Today we are diving deep into the microscopic world to uncover the secret behind what makes you perfectly, uniquely you. But before we unlock the mysteries of DNA, let's start with the basics. Every single living thing is built from tiny structures called cells. You can think of them in two main categories. Prokaryotic cells. Take bacteria, for example. These guys keep it simple. They don't have a nucleus, so their DNA just floats freely around in the cytoplasm. Eukaryotic cells. These are the complex ones, like the cells in our own bodies. They have a secure vault called a nucleus where the DNA is safely locked away. Are you ready to crack the code? Let's jump right in. What exactly is DNA? DNA is short for deoxyribonucleic acid. Picture a twisted ladder. Scientists call this beautiful shape a double helix. This remarkable molecule acts as the ultimate biological instruction manual. It tells your body exactly how to grow, develop, and keep everything running smoothly. What is DNA's main job? Think of DNA as a massive, microscopic hard drive inside your cells. It stores all your hereditary data, everything from the shade of your eyes and the color of your hair to your specific blood type. Best of all, this incredible code gets passed down through your family tree from generation to generation. What's a gene anyway? If DNA is the whole cookbook, a gene is just one single recipe. It's a tiny, specific section of your DNA that contains the instructions to create a particular feature, like a protein, a hormone, or even your eye color. We all have thousands of these microscopic recipes working together. Where do chromosomes live? Your DNA is incredibly long, so to fit inside a tiny cell, it coils up super tightly into bundles called chromosomes. In eukaryotic cells, like ours, these tightly packed chromosomes are securely stored inside the nucleus. In prokaryotic cells, like bacteria, there is no nucleus, so the DNA just hangs out freely in the cytoplasm. What is a human karyotype? Imagine taking a complete family portrait, but exclusively for your chromosomes. That's a karyotype. We humans have a total of 46 chromosomes, perfectly paired up into 23 sets. You inherit half of them from mom and the other half from dad. The very last pair is special because it determines your biological sex. XX means female. XY means male. Why is DNA our biological ID card? Because absolutely no one else has your exact code. Even identical twins have microscopic differences hiding in their DNA sequences. That's exactly why forensic scientists and doctors can use DNA to identify a person with pinpoint accuracy, just like scanning a barcode or reading a fingerprint. Wrapping up. And there you have it. Now you know the core differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, and you've mastered the concepts of DNA, genes, chromosomes, and karyotypes. Most importantly, you know exactly why your genetic code makes you a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Stay curious, scientists, and see you in the next one.